This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope we're all having a great week. And as we're entering the new week, we're just going to run through our market selection for the new week. Now, before I get into our market selection, a few words about Naija TradeWise. We're an online trading platform which has a partnership with BKFX. So with us, you can trade the financial instruments like commodities, cryptocurrencies, international stocks. Now, what do you get working with Naija TradeWise? You get a regulated and secured broker, easy funding with Naira. You can deposit and withdraw within 15 minutes. Also, we have money management professionals that can manage your funds for you, who will not in any way put your funds in jeopardy. Also, you're working with a broker you can trust. And the last but not the least, whatever you deposit, we match your funds with 100% bonus. Now, with that out of the way, we are going to be moving to our market selection for this week. Now, what do we have for our market selection for this week? We have 6 financial instruments, all are forex pairs. Now, which is the first pair? As you can see, we're going to be working with USD Swiss franc. Looking at this, we're looking at it from the weekly chart. Now, what we can see here is that in the past few weeks, the USD Swiss franc was on the upside, but it came back down, and there was a pullback here. We believe, looking at this, this pullback will has probably exhausted its strength because we saw this great bullishness, and there was this pullback. So we'll be looking for entry at around, say, let's say at around here. So 91 we can say 91.0300. Apologies, sorry. 91.1656 for our entry point, and we will take profit at around, say, 96. Seems a lot, but it's a long-term trade, so we can take our profit there. That's that. Our next pair is the Euro Australian dollar. Like I mentioned, we have 6 pairs. This is also bullish. Now, looking at this, it has been on a steady rise, and it finally broke above the moving average. We are looking for retracement, and if it pulls to, let's say, at around, let's see, the retracement should come around, let's say, here. It should be a pullback to 1.58105. The pullback should get there. So we look, when it pulls back and there's exhaustion of the pullback, then we'll look for an entry point. So we will be looking for somewhere to enter at about 1.58091 to take profit at around, this is also a long-term trade, people, so around, let's say, 1.60837. That's for the Euro Australian dollar. Next pair we'll be analyzing is the Euro Swiss franc. Now, on this, we're going to be sellers. As you can see, it has steadily been going up and down, up and down. So a pull back here is down, and a pull up, and now it came back down. Now, we will look for a retracement or a pullback. It comes here, and we look for, so we can probably let it, the buyers will probably come in at the beginning of the week, but the sellers will definitely pull this back. So I think we should enter at around 1.09136 and take profit at around 1.07387. That's for the Euro Swiss franc. Remember, we're sellers there. Next pair is the Euro Japanese yen. Now, this had been an uptrend trend, but we noticed that there was a pullback. It went below the moving average, which we always use. Now, we believe that it will still go up by maybe the bulls still have some strength in it to probably get to 131, 100. From there, we'll be sellers and probably take our profits at here at 128, 380, or just 350. Just here, because it seems to be a pull here. So we will be taking our profit here. Remember, we're selling, we're bears here. Our next pair is the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Now we're going to be sellers here. As you can see, we have already gone ahead to enter this position. Now, we noticed that there was a, let's look at it from here. The pull up, it went up, and then the bears took over. Every time the bulls tried to break it, the bears pushed it down. All the way they came here, pushed it down. Look now, here we believe it's going to be a reversal, so we can take our entry point at around, say, exactly here, the perfect entry point. And then we take our profit at around, say here, 1.0637. That's for that. And then our last pair for the day is the British pound, Canadian dollar. We're going to be bullish because look, there has been a struggle, and crude oil is also doing its thing. Now look at this. There has been a struggle for a number of days, but we see a pull up. So the bulls have taken control. Of course, the bears will come and try to force it down to, say, around here. A reversal of about 1.71917. We can take our entry there and that's our entry point. We can take our profit at here, 1.76. That is what we expect for the British pound, Canadian dollar. Now, these are the pairs some of the pairs we'll be looking at this new week. If you have any questions or any other instruments you'd like us to analyze, please visit us at www.NaijaTradeWise. Leave us a message either on our Facebook or Instagram, and we'll definitely reply to your message. And also, you can chat us up through our WhatsApp handle on the website. That's www.NaijaTradeWise. Once again, I'm Victor. You all have a great week. Thank you very much. Bye.